Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to our brand new video. So can you guess where we are? Right now we are in a place which is very beautiful look like. So Mahmoud, you just mention the place name.
Okay, this place name is Boikontopur Tea Garden.
Yeah.
So this is the last part of Boikontopur Tea Garden. So behind you can see this is called maybe India, right?
I don't know.
Okay, so I think so. Maybe it's called India. So there is a over there is a
Some
small
houses.
house.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm really willing to go there, but I don't have any option to go there. After coming this place, I'm feeling so excited because this place is really high place than our places. Okay, so you may show the natural beauty there. You can see this is really low land, you can say, and this is the high place in this area. I mean Boikontopur Tea Garden. So here is most probably they try to plant green tea, right? So
Green
this
tea
is
as
the
well as paddy fields here.
Yeah.
Also different types of paddies here.
yes.
So, yeah.
So after coming this place, what's your feelings?
Oh, my feeling is amazing. I don't have much word to explain about this place. It's a look like I can say like some Europe's countries,
Yes.
right? And yeah, Darjeeling. Oh my God! So my cameraman he is telling me that it's look like Darjeeling, and as you can see, guys, the